Hello, everyone. I'm Miss E again, and today I'm going to tell you all about birds. So, the history of birds. Birds have a long line of history. Some believe dinosaurs, the ones that survived, transformed into birds as they are today. So, here's just a little scale of some dinosaurs. Birds. So, here's some facts. The class is aves. They can regulate their body. They're endotherm. They're warm-blooded, and they're a vertebrate. Different types of birds. Swifts. There is 70 species called swifts. The birds are small, around 10 to 25 centimeters. They have compacted bodies and short necks, and their wings are really long, as you can see in the photo. Penguins, which all of us probably have seen. Penguins spend most of their entire life on ice and breed in wintertime. The female penguins leave for 2 months to get food, while the dads stay with the eggs and keep the egg warm. This is helpful because there's less predators. Penguins also use their black and white fur as a camouflage in water. Also, if you have ever seen Happy Feet, you can see where all the dads stay with the eggs and moms all go out to find food. Bird symmetry. Bird symmetry is asymmetrical. Bird skeleton is endoskeleton. So here's like a couple that I really like, and you can really see in this one, and in this one, and in this one. This one's a painting, this one's a drawing, and then this one's in real life. Oh, and here's another one. I thought this was very cool. So why birds sing? Birds sing songs to either get back to their group or attract with a mate when spring falls. Birds also sing for migration routes to keep everyone on track and together. So I thought those were really cool information facts. Why birds have feathers instead of fur? Birds have feathers instead of fur because they are unique, and it's one of the main characteristics about them. Feathers help birds stay warm and or cool. Scientists also think feathers evolved from scales from a dinosaur or reptile. So again, we're taking the history of a bird and tying it in to it. Migration. Birds migrate because they like warm weather. When it gets cold, they migrate again and then migrate back when it's hot. Birds are also the longest distance travelers. Imagine just like flying, you get to see the whole entire world. It's really cool. Flightless bird. There are 40 species of flightless birds. Each one walks on mostly 2 legs. Flightless birds are normally tall and or big. They also cannot fly well, so they walk. So here is an example of an ostrich right here, and there's a group of them. Again, they're in groups. Birds don't really like to be alone. They like to go in groups whenever they travel somewhere, and obviously they can't travel as far as a bird in the sky would because that would just take a long time, and it's really hard on their legs, or what we so call legs. Birds exchange gas from the sun. So this is like how they exchange gas from the sun, hydrogen, which is in plants, and exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this is a really cool, in-depth little thing. So if you pause it, please look at it more because it's very cool. Birds moving. Birds move all the time. They mostly get around by flying. They settle normally place to place. So they always are moving. So birds' reproduction, their sexual reproduction, internal fertilization, and terrestrial, which means they're land. Most birds are either on ground or flying. So it's mostly terrestrial, but there's also other ones. Diversity in birds. Many birds have different sizes of beaks. They have different colors on their feathers. Feathers have strengths and weaknesses just like a human. So as you can see, this picture in the background, which I really like, is you can see how long this bird's beak is, but that's more of a curve. This one's just straight out. And this bird's beak is really short. So each beak has an advantage and disadvantage. It just evolves around their environment around them and how they adapt to that. So here's all the references and the photo citations. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to email us or comment down below if you have any questions or any video ideas or comments. And subscribe to our channel because you will get notified whenever we post. If you turn on that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and have a wonderful day.